How to hide and unhide chats on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the friends option. Once you're over here, you're gonna find all the conversation. Now head over to the chat that you wanna hide. Press and hold on it. Different options will pop up. Select the option Chat and Notification Settings. Now click on the option Clear from Chat Feed. Are you sure you want to clear this conversation? Click on Clear. With that, the chat will be removed from here. It is similar to hiding the chat. Likewise, if you want to unhide it, what you have to do is click on this search icon, type in the name of that person. After that person name appears, open it. Now I can type in anything and send it. Now the chat will be available over here. So this way you are able to hide and unhide chats on Snapchat. By following the same steps, you are able to hide and unhide other chats as well. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.